Okay, so let's get on with the make. So I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder out of a pine cone. So all you need is lard, some wool or string, pine cone, spoon, a tray, and some bird seed. You can have, if you don't have bird seed, I just got this out of a bird feeder that I had in my garden. I got some sunflower seeds, I got some wheat and some barley in there as well. So the way you need to do it is you get your lard, just clear everything off the tray. So you need to get your lard and a spoon and scoop out some and put it into your thing and then push it into all the gaps. You've got to get it right in all the gaps. You might want a knife as well. You're going to chop it up. Okay, so once you finish putting all the lard in, then you need to get your bird seed. So this bit gets quite messy, so if you move it all off the tray, you just need to kind of sprinkle over the bird seed. This is why you needed the tray, just to catch any leftovers, and then push all the bird seed in. You can either do it this way or you can get bits of bird seed, push it in by hand. Just got to get it all nicely covered. You can pat it all down. Okay. So you might want a bit more, and then you can, if you've got enough lard left, all the leftover bird seed, you could probably make another one. So that's that bit. Okay, so now I need to get my wool, a string, and tie it round somewhere. So I found quite a good place round the centre of it. So you can tie it on like so. Okay, so once that's tied on, you can go and hang it in a tree and let the birds eat it. Okay, so now all you've got to do is tie it up into the tree. So there it is in the tree. You might be able to see up here. I've got a GoPro mount, so that's where I put up my camera so I can look at them. So that is it. So now we get back to the live stream.